Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to save your data in a file and then reload it after restarting your program. So for example, here I am adding a data John Harry and his age is 29. So we have added a data in a list box. Now I want to save it. So my data is now saved. When I close my program, now we will start it again. Let's reload the data from the file. So when I click reload, as you see, we have added this data before we have closed our.
So guys, before we start, I would like you to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. So let's get started. We have here grid. In this grid we will make column definitions, width will be equal, which means stronger, and then in the first column definition we will put, so this is our stack panel, which we have first name, last name and age with text boxes and their bindings, and then we have three buttons: add, save, load. And on the second column definition, list box. In list box we have item source persons. If you saw my previous video, we have made a persons class in which we have first name, last name and age. So this will be our item source, and there we have a data template in which we will show our first name, last name and age in list box item template. We will go to our code now. So guys, here as you can see, we have a notification property change and the property change function. That's it. Now we will insert our person class in it. So in class, in person class I have a string first name, last name and age, and then we will make here prop full. This is our observable collection of. Here we have property is persons, and here we will write on property changed. So this is our observable collection. We need our three properties. So prop, one will be integer, yes, right, prop and prop. So it's not very important, and it will be the second one will be text, and that will also be a string in type, and then we have integer, that is age text. So these are the three properties we need for our first name, for our text boxes for binding. So now what next? Let's see what is the result. These are my first name, bot text boxes, first name, last name and age, but we don't have any functions for add, save and load. So let's start it with the click functions of add, save and load, so that we can update our list box here. So for that I would like to go here. There is my one button, add. I will give him a click function. Yes. On property change. What is the result now? It says that this object is not set to instead of, so that means our persons is null. We will make here new so let's get do that. What we will do now, we will here write save function. For save function, what we will do, we will have a string which is first of all null, and then we will make a file. File mode will be create. After that we have a binary format, and we will serialize our persons. And for serialization, always we have to make our class serializable. If you don't do this thing, it won't be serialized because our class is not serializable. So we will declare it as a serializable, and then it will serialize our persons list in a file.bin, a binary file. So, and write a function for load. So load on load we will do the same thing, only the file mode will be open. We will tell the file name, and then our persons list we will insert. We will actually deserialized, but it's the same thing that you are inserting the data which is in your file to a list or to our observable collection. So let's see if this works. So now we will give, we have loaded the data, and now we will give one more data, which is Albert days is 15 years old. Add this to my list first, and then save my whole data, and then I will close my program. I will start it again, and then load my data. As you see, we have here now two options, two items actually. One is John Harry, and then other one is we have just added Albert. So guys, if you like my video, please share it, subscribe my YouTube channel, help me to develop more such kind of helpful tutorials, as I've seen many of them are not actually developed by the YouTubers, so I will work on them. And if you have any kind of suggestion, or if you want to help, let me know. I will make a tutorial for you on that subject. Until then, see you next time. Bye bye, take care.